we all know she's attractive, we all know, you know. So, but ako kasi, like, you know, I'm very professional also. Like, I don't want to mix anything with work and, you know, si Ivana talaga parang tropa, parang kaibigan, ganyan. So, and, yeah, we all know she's attractive and I think yun na yun.
Nagkaroon kayo ng chance na magkakilala pa, mas nakilala mo siya mas malalim pa, kasi parang nakikilala siya ng marami.
Yeah, when you work with someone on a film and you're constantly working with them and everything, mas nakikilala mo yung tao. Mas nakikilala mo kung sino sila, paano sila magtrabaho, paano sila sa mga crew, sa mga co-actors nila. And wala akong masasabing masama talaga kay Ivana. She's very nice to everyone, she works hard. You know, may mga times na natapos kami 4 a.m., 5 a.m., dugyot kami, you know. So, makikita mo talaga hindi siya nagre-reklamo and, you know, she's giving her best in every scene. So that also sets a good example for the younger actors na kasama namin. Kasi marami kaming kasama ng mga young actors also who's probably, you know, looking at us, you know, when the times are getting hard, you know, when it's 4 a.m. and you still have to do a fight scene. You know, these young actors are probably looking at us like, magre-reklamo pa sila. Alam mo yung gano'n. And wala kang maririnig na reklamo, and everyone stayed on course, everybody's professional. So, you know, hats off to Ivana for that also.
Ayun nga, how was it working with the young actors?